So what is Arthrosamid? Arthrosamid is a new injection which is available for patients who have got osteoarthritis, who are suffering with pain due to an inflamed lining of the knee joint. Arthrosamid is a hydrogel. It's described as an implant, in fact. So when it's injected in the knee joint, it lines the lining of the knee, called the synovium, and it works to reduce the inflammation in the knee, which is the main driver of pain. Now, traditionally, we've only had 2 injections available to us, including steroid and hyaluronic acid, and while they can be effective, they tend not to last for a very long period of time. The main exciting thing about Arthrosamid is that the evidence suggests in up to 80% of patients, they can have pain relief going up to 2 or even up to 4 years. So it's a really exciting injection that I use in my practice for patients coming in with knee pain, that's an inflamed joint, and this is a really good treatment for that.